Can you hear me? Yeah. Yes, good morning, guys. Today we need to discuss about selenium. Any idea about selenium? What is a selenium? Yes, what is
Yes.
selenium?
So, master.
Hmm. Automation tool. Very good. Is it a testing tool? So what is selenium means? It is an open source. See, functional automation testing tool. Observe carefully. Selenium is one of the open source. functional automation testing tool. So what is a open source? What is the meaning of the open source tool? Open source means, so the source code will be open. Anyone can customize it based on a requirement. That is called as a yes, generic. Free. Free tool. Free tool means, are everyone listening my voice? Yes or no? Everyone getting my voice? Yes. So open source is nothing but free means no cost, no license. That is called as a free. Open source is the source code will be open and we can customize based on our requirement. That is called as a open source. Sir, why I am telling as a functional tool and what is a automation? Sir, why it is a telling functional tool means types of automation tools. There are four types of automation tools are available there. How many? Four types of automation tools are available there. So what are the four types of automation tools? First category, functional tools. So by using these tools, we can check only application functional behavior like system testing, functionality testing, only those are possible. Those type of tools are called as the functional tools. Whatever available there. Sir, QTP, present the name itself changed as a UFT. And now we are using Selenium, Lisa, Tosca, Cucumber, Renorex, Postman, all these are called as a functional tools. Because of by using this, we can check only functionalities only. Second category, performance tools. Those are to conduct the performance testing. Those are load runner, JMeter. Third one, security tools. Only one tool is there, app scan. So to conduct the security testing. Already we know about the security testing. To check the authentication and authorization, then we can go for these security tools. Now, what is the last category? Defect tracking tools. Those are Bugzilla, Jira, Mantis BT, Issue Tracker, T Tracker, Beat Tracker. So how many types of tools? Four categories are there. Functional tools, performance tools, security tools, defect tracking tools. So Selenium is coming under which tool? Functionality tool. That's why, see, observe. Selenium is one of the free, which type of tool? Functional testing tool. Performance tools, we don't bother about that. Defect tracking tool, one tool I will tell that. So they're all the functional tools. Next one more doubt. What is an automation? Sir, because once you tell answer into interview room, they will ask each and every word. What is open source? Why it is a functional tool? And what is the automation? Simply, if anybody asking what is the Selenium means, everyone telling testing tool only. But I am telling one of the open source functional automation. Now my concept is what is an automation? Because if you're telling any answer, we should know each and everything in that one, each and everything. Sir, what is the concept of automation? The automation means at the time of manual testing, we know about the test cases. We know about test cases. So the process of converting manual test cases to test scripts by using some tool is known as automation. So what is automation? Generally, at the time of manual testing, we are preparing the test cases. We need to convert into test script with the help of the some tool. The tool may be UFT. Yes, I can use maybe UFT means QTP, or I can use as a Selenium, or I can use as a Cucumber. Cucumber also one of the famous tools are any tool. So the conversion procedure of manual test cases into the test scripts is nothing but a automation. What is the advantage of this automation? So already manual testing is there. Why we need to learn automation procedure? Because of there are so many advantages at there. So already in the starting I'm giving examples also. So if I want to perform some calculations, if I'm performing some 4 into 5, okay, 20. 20 into 6, 120. 120 into 5, 600. Suppose if I'm asking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 7, 8, 9, 6, what is the answer? Now it will take some time, but whereas if I can use calculator, automatically we will tell the answer. Very simple. That is called as a tool. Previously, these answers I am telling directly manually, but this one I am using as a calculator. So we can save the time mainly. So suppose whenever class is going on there, offline class, not online. At the time of offline class in the classroom, nearly some 80 to 90 members or 100 members are there. Then whenever class is going on there, some guys are busy with the phone, some guys are happily sleeping in the last bench, like that. That is common. Generally, it will happen. So, but sir, whenever anybody is sleeping, I will go there and I will give left and right that person. Then that is called as a manual part. But sometimes what I was doing is I can make it as one robot in the classroom, and I will give instruction to the robot. If anybody is sleeping, go and give left and right. That is called as our automation part. So suppose if you want to go to any shopping complex, in the complex 6 floors are there. If you want to go to the 6th floor, 2 ways are there. One is steps, second one lift, third one escalator. Yes. So by using the steps, that is the manual procedure. By using lift, automation. By using escalator, that is also automation. So if I'm using any tool to test one application, that procedure is called as the automation. Why we go for whatever the advantages are there in the automation part? First one, we can save the time. How? Means, so if it is a manual test cases, if you want to run that means every day 40 to 50 we can run, it will take so much time. Whereas in automation, I can run the scripts. Tool will run, tool will give the result also. Reduce cost to company. Reduce cost to the company. Yes, how to reduce means at the time of manual testing, the time of manual testing, so many people are required. Automation, automatically we can reduce the people. Whenever people are reduced, the cost will also reduce it to the company. That is reduced. So third one, scripts are repeatable. Means one time I can write the scripts, any number of times I can run. That is called as a scripts are repeatable. Because only one time you can run, we can save that scripts. Whenever build is coming, every time we can execute it. That is, scripts are more repeatable. Next, results will get accuracy. Yes. So just now I'm given, sir, anyone tell this answer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 8, 7, next 6, manually. Definitely, maybe some mistakes will come, definitely. But whereas you can use calculator, you will get exact result without any mistakes. Same like that. If you run the manual scripts, maybe somewhere else we can get the mistakes. But whenever I can get the automation, I will get a complete results also. And one more thing, we can get the test report from the tool itself only. Yes, at the time of manual testing, we can run and we can identify the bugs. Whereas automation tool will provide the test report. How many are passed, how many are failed, tool automatically will provide our results, and we can ensure for quality. These many advantages are there for that automation. That's why nowadays companies are everyone going to the automation part only. Clear up to here? So just basics only. What is a Selenium? Selenium is one of the open source automation functional tool. Next, how many types of automation tools are there? Four categories are there: functional tools, performance tools, security, defect tracking. So Selenium is coming under functional tool. Now, what is an automation? The process of converting manual test cases into test scripts is called as a automation. What is the advantage of that? Advantages I am given here. We can save the time, reduce cost to the company, scripts are repeatable, we can ensure for quality. Okay, perfect. Now my question is, why Selenium? There are a number of tools are there. Anyone tell why Selenium? QTP is there, UFT is there, Cucumber is there. Why Selenium? Why are you learning Selenium, everyone? Selenium is open source. Very good. No need to pay. Okay. Open source. Okay. Open source platform independent. Okay. Sir, simple. One reason I will tell now. Why you are telling Selenium? The only reason is in the Selenium there are so many jobs are there. Not open source, not multiple browsers, not. Sir, suppose there are no openings on Selenium. Anyone can learn this Selenium? Seriously? Sir, it is a open source. It is a free tool, no cost. That's why you can learn Selenium, but there is no jobs. Anyone can learn? No one will learn because of there are a number of opportunities are there in Selenium. That's why you are learning Selenium, not open source, not multiple browsers, not free of cost. Now my question is, Why companies are using Selenium? Now you can tell open source and all these reasons. Because in olden days, sir, every company using QTP. Sir, first in the year of 2005, I completed my next 2007, 8, I started on training. First time taking classes in the QTP only, Quick Test Professional. Now the name is changed as a UFT, Unified Functional Testing Tool. That is a very boom in the days. After that, Selenium came. Now why Selenium means, now we have to take the comparisons about Selenium and what is the famous tool? QTP. Because why companies are using Selenium means we have to compare with our product to the existing competitive product. The type of testing is called as comparative testing. Already we know that one. Because why Selenium means you have to compare with another product, QTP. That the first reason is everybody knows about that. Who are telling everyone that is correct. But what about the QTP? QTP is a commercial and cost. So licensed version QTP, if you want to install into one system, minimum to 5 to 10 lakhs is there. If you want to use the concurrent users, multiple users at a time, 20 to 25 lakhs cost is there. So same features are available, but with less cost, free cost. Companies are looking for the Selenium or QTP, Selenium only. Because of one tool is free, another tool is cost. Then why companies are you going for the cost? No. Sir, suppose here Mahesh sir classes are paid classes. Suppose another faculty is there, those classes are free. Then anyone come to join my classes? Anyone? Mahesh sir classes are paid classes. Same another faculty is there, his classes are free. Then anyone can join my classes? No. Yeah, definitely. Because of there are free classes, definitely we'll go to the free classes only. Why you need to pay the and all those things? That is the first reason. It is the free, QTP is the cost. Sir, second reason is, sir, if you want to use QTP means compulsory, you need to learn VB script because QTP supported only VB script. If you don't know VB script, nothing. But what about Selenium? Sir, I don't know any language, but okay, no problem. Because Selenium will supported multiple languages. Selenium can supported Java. Now I am also taking the classes on Java only. Selenium supported Python also. Suppose if you know Python, yes, happily you can go Selenium with the Python. Sir, if you know the C Sharp, .NET, yes, happily you can go with the Selenium with .NET. If you know PHP, you can go with Selenium with PHP. If you know Ruby language, yes, you can go Ruby. If you know the HTML, yes, so observe Java it is supported, Python supported, C Sharp supported, HTML, Ruby, PHP, and Perl script. These many languages it is supported. So someone is telling, sir, I don't know any language, all the 7 languages I don't know, but no problem. Yes, Junaid, Selenium with the Java we are learning, but Selenium with Python, so many opportunities are there. But no one is having idea about the Selenium with the Python. Yes, that's why next level I will tell Selenium with Python classes also. But present we are taking Selenium with Java. Sir, once you learn Selenium with Java, next to Selenium with Python very dead easy. Python is very simple language. Yes. So you can go with Selenium with Java or Python, anything, no problem. Your wish. But now I am taking classes in Selenium with Java only. Later on, after some days, I will take Selenium with the Python classes also. So now, next one is, sir, which browser? Someone is telling Selenium supported multiple browsers. Yes. Selenium is supported IE. Selenium supported Firefox. Selenium supported Chrome. Selenium supported Opera. Selenium supported Safari. But What about QTP? QTP supported only three, that is IE, Firefox, Chrome only. Only three supported by the QTP. And one more thing, yes, which operating system you can install Selenium? Sir, Selenium will supported any operating system like Windows, Linux, MacBook. The problem with QTP is it supported only Windows. It does not support the other operating systems. That is the big problem in that one. Sir, which type of application we can test with the Selenium? Selenium will be tested web applications and mobile applications. But what about the QTP? Sir, one main advantage of QTP is this is it supported desktop also, desktop, web, and mobile. See, if anybody asking what is the problem with Selenium means Selenium does not support the which applications? Desktop applications does not supported by Selenium. That is one major drawback. But sir, there is small alternatives are available. What it is means, if you want to automate the desktop application, okay, one more alternative is that is one more tool is there. Selenium I can configure with Sikuli. Sir, what is the tool? Sikuli, sir. Whenever I am installing Sikuli into the Selenium, then happily I can handle this desktop applications also, because at the time of some web applications we need to handle the desktop elements also, but Selenium is purely supported web and mobile only. It does not support the desktop. That's why you can go for which one? Sikuli. I will tell this tool also. So along with Selenium I will explain about this Sikuli tool also for you, how to configure Sikuli with Selenium and how to handle that desktop elements, all I will cover. So that is the, and one more thing, it is flexible, extendable, or very more. So what is the flexibility? Observe here. Selenium is flexible with more languages, Java, Python, all are, and Selenium is flexible with more browsers, flexible with multiple operating systems. That is called as flexibility. Extendable means we are using Selenium with Java. So Java is an extendable language. Like in the Java, so much concept is the loops part, everything. But whatever QTP, QTP flexible is only three browsers, only one operating system, only one. So here flexibility and extendable. VB script is not extendable language. So flexibility and extendability when compared with Selenium, it is very less. So that is the reason companies are using Selenium. Sir, why we are learning Selenium means for the job sake. Why companies are using Selenium means these are all the advantages about Selenium. That's why companies are preferring the Selenium than compare with the QTP. Now my question is, when to start automation for a project? Yes, when we need to start automation for a project. Sir, if you want to start automation means compulsory, the application should be stable. So starting I'm given difference between manual and automation. Every project manual testing is possible. Every project automation is not possible. 100% manual testing is possible, but 100% automation is not possible. Only 70-80% only. Remaining compulsory you have to go with manual part only. So when we need to start automation means, sir, whenever the build is stable, So what is the build? Already we know. The set of integrated modules is an executable form of application is called as a build. Within the organization, if any application given by developer to the tester is called as a build. If the build is stable to save the regression testing time, we are going to automation. Yes. Now we have a doubt. What is the regression testing? Sir, already we know. Who are attending my manual classes, you know very well about the regression testing. Already explained the retesting, regression testing differences. Regression means in the modified build, we have to check the past functionalities. Is there any side effect impact due to the changes? So regression means same task will be run again and again, again and again. So that task will be automated. So when to start automation means if the build is stable, perfect, to save the regression testing time, I can go for the automation part. And one more thing. So what kind of applications can be automated by using Selenium? What kind of applications can be automated by using Selenium? So these are all the interview room questions only, not only basics introduction part. Interview room also they will ask maybe why Selenium, when to start automation, what kind of applications means. So to develop any application, in the starting class I explained front end is there, back end is there. To develop the front end, multiple technologies are there like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, these technologies. Back end means one database, one framework, one language. The language may be Java, the language may be Python, the language may be PHP or anything. So here I am telling what kind of application can be automated by using Selenium means, sir, some applications are implemented by Java, some applications are implemented by Python. So like the difference are there. So any kind of web application, all kinds of web applications can be automated by using Selenium with any language. That is your wish. So suppose one person using Selenium with Java, yes, no problem. One person using Selenium with Python, no problem. But I am testing Google, assume Google or HMS or my site or whatever is there, Google. You can use Selenium with Java, you can use, or you can Selenium with Python, you can use .NET, any language. The website also, the website can be implemented by either Java or Python or .NET, PHP, any language, ASP.NET, anything, no problem. So if it is a web application or not, yes, happily you can automate. Either it is a Java application or PHP application or .NET application, Cold Fusion, anything. Again, I can use Selenium with Java, I can use Selenium with Python, Ruby, anything I can use. That is nothing but a Selenium. So, sir, observe what I explained today, just basics. What is a Selenium? How many types of automation tools? What is an automation? What are the advantages? Why Selenium? When to start automation for a project? And what kind of web application we are automating with the help of the Selenium? Now, what we have to learn? What we have to learn in the Selenium? Sir, suppose if you want to go to the Java, in the Java, first we can go with the core Java, next advanced Java, next servlets, next frameworks, EJB, Spring, multiple are available. If you want to go to Python, core Python, advanced Python, same like that. Whatever the components, what we have to learn in the Selenium. Okay, what we need to learn in the Selenium. Observe. Sir, Selenium is majorly built with four components. IDE, RC, WebDriver, Grid. Four components are available. Sir, where you will get all this information? Sir, go through the Google. Okay. Selenium HQ.dev. This is the site. Selenium HQ. Tomorrow, if you want to download anything, we can download from here only. Site can't reach the Selenium. Any spelling mistake? Sir, seleniumhq.org. Yes. Sir, this is the site. Tomorrow, whatever we are downloading, jar files, browsers, everything we can download. This is the official site. Observe, Selenium is one of the automation browsers. So purely it is to automate the web applications only. Here it is telling, observe carefully. If you want anything, information available there. Web-based applications only we are automating. Yes, primarily it is for automating web applications only for testing purpose. Sir, observe here what are the components are there? Three projects: Selenium WebDriver, IDE, Grid. Actually, four are there, but RC was deprecated. No one is using RC present. Sir, first Selenium IDE, second Selenium RC. You don't bother about that RC. I deleted RC, but in the material RC programs are available. You don't bother about that because nowadays no one will ask RC questions and all those. If I'm telling RC means wastage of your time only. Practice also waste because in the interview no one will ask about that RC. Then why we need to go for RC? Example, see here only. Observe here projects. What are the Selenium projects are there? WebDriver, IDE, Grid. Only three projects. Is there any RC is there? But in old site RC is also available there. Present RC completely deprecated. So what it is all? What is WebDriver? What it is? Simple words I will tell. Later on we will see one by one completely. Sir, what is the meaning of IDE? Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment. Sir, just it is. Sir, today I will give only brief description. Okay. Tomorrow onwards I will tell one by one. But IDE also not important in the interview room. IDE and RC. You can concentrate on only third component WebDriver. Sir, it is just record and run the scripts. Record and run means just like in your mobile, not only mobile. Suppose today class is completed. Tomorrow if you have any doubts, just open my record and see that recording. Same thing only. Recording and running only. That's when the real time no one can use this option, sir. Record running means why all these course and nonsense not required. Even the 10th class students also will record and will run it. Just like mobile recording. How the mobile video we are recording and after that how we are playback, same like that only. Record and run the scripts. And by default it is supported HTML language. It does not support remaining other languages. Selenium IDE. So no question will come in the interview room about IDE. IDE just for record and running. I will record, I will run one script also. I will show. But interview room no use. We never use in the real time this IDE. So don't bother about this IDE. Only just record and running purpose only. Okay, fine. Next, what is the RC? Sir, what is the full form of RC? Sir, RC means don't think that RC. That RC is the different. What is the full form of RC? Anyone? No idea? If you know, type in the chat panel. RC. Yes. RC is nothing but just like how you are operating your TV. ACs, all those remote control. Yes, it is also known as the Selenium 1. So Selenium 1 is nothing but a first version. Whenever Selenium introduced, first they are given this RC only. Sir, it is a server. It launches one browser and it will perform testing. But at a time, only one browser will be launched. Selenium supported 5, Chrome, Opera, Safari, IE. But at a time, only one browser it is launching and it will performing the task. That is called as a RC. But now, why I'm not telling RC means, see, officially they are not telling any RC. Only three projects: WebDriver, IDE, and Grid only. Why we need to learn RC? Wastage of your time only. That's why I don't want to tell about this RC. Don't bother about that. Next important room, interview room, or whatever is there. Someone is asking Selenium which version we can download. 3.141.59 you can download. Sir, fourth is the alpha version. Don't download. Alpha versions are not recommended. Latest stable. See here they are telling directly stable version. This one. So you can download this one. I will tell maybe after tomorrow class, day after tomorrow, maybe tomorrow only. I will tell how to make the Selenium tool. How Selenium will be configured with the Java. So tomorrow class first I will tell about IDE, how we can record, how we can run. After that configuration I will tell. Next, before starting WebDriver, some core Java basics I will tell. What is a class? What is object? What is reference variable? How many types of variables? What is a method? What is the constructor? What is the differences? Basics I will tell. After that I will go to WebDriver programs. Because sir, if you know Java, directly I can go Selenium with the Java programs. But in this session, some guys are they don't know about the programming language. That's why some basic Java programs I will start. Then I will jump to the maximum 2-3 sessions are enough. Sir, but we are not dealing complete Java. What Java concept required for the Selenium, I will tell. So maximum day after tomorrow onwards, you can main concentrate on your programming. Every day you can practice it compulsory. If you are not practicing, if you are not following the programs, daily 1 or 2 programs I will tell. If time is there, 3-4. Sir, for my side, if I'm taking daily class 7:30 to 9, okay, no problem for me. One day I will take 1.5 hours. Yeah, frameworks also, Chandrika. I will tell one by one. Yeah. Lastly, I will give your doubts and everything, Chandrika. Okay. Last 10 minutes, I will give time for you. Yeah. Everything, whatever I am telling, I will open the course content, everything. Maven, Jenkins, listeners, frameworks, iTray listener, log4j. I will open the course content also. I will tell each and everything, Chandrika. Now, uh, for my side, no, real-time project also. For my side, I will take 1.5 hours. One day I will take compulsory after 2-3 days. 1.5 hours. How many projects I can, how many programs I completed. If you are following that one, no problem. My side, I will finish within, sir. If you want anybody, some guys are telling course will be complete 2 months or not like that. Give 2 days time for me, Saturday, Sunday, full days. I will finish your course. Yes, believe me. Only 2 days you can go. Saturday, Sunday. I will finish your course. But from morning to evening, simply I'm explaining all the programs enough. But you need to practice. Here, main thing is not time and all those things. How can we get the subject or because in the last 3-4 years back, every weekend, hmm, I went for the Bangalore and I went to the Pune. I'm taking just 2 days only because all their real-time employees. Within 2 days, I will finish my program, Selenium and everything. If you want by this weekend itself, I will finish. No problem for me. Daily 3-4 hours, I will take the class. Simply, I will finish your course. Then again, I will start new batch. I will get more money. But my intention is not complete within the short period. Okay, I will give complete knowledge because if you know any old students, you can ask about the Mahesh sir, how he is taking the classes and everything. Okay, so I will plan for 1.5 hours. If you are okay following that one, I will continue that only, no problem. Where we are stopping? Yes, version. Sir, 3.141.59 you can download. Okay, I will tell this procedure also present, don't bother about. Sir, what is the version? Third version, Selenium 3 present. That's why I'm telling, sir, RC is a Selenium 1. Next Selenium 2, present Selenium 3. If anybody asking what is the current version, Selenium 3. Tomorrow 4 coming means you can tell 4. But present version 3 only. 3 point, this is the subversion 141.59. Standard 3. Sir, just like Python only, Python third version is there. Internally, if you go to that 3.4 something, 3.8, like that it is coming. So RC also don't bother. You forget about RC because no one will ask any single question also in the RC. Okay, chhod do. Next, WebDriver. Yes, nothing but a the advanced version of RC is nothing but WebDriver. The advanced version of RC is nothing but a WebDriver. Nothing but Selenium 2. But present versions are 3 only. Because 3.2 like that, na, that's why 3. Sir, here WebDriver, the main advantage, it will launches all the latest browser. Any browser is possible. Yes. In RC, some limitations are there, sir. Latest browsers, it is not supported. Anything you can automate your wish, Junaid. First, I will take some of the applications. I will take automationpractice.com. One project is there, I will tell. Okay, I will tell my procedure, what I'm telling. Okay, first complete this 4, just I will explain all everything. So the advanced version is nothing but a 3, and you can automate any browser you can download. Sir, what is the problem with RC WebDriver? Why grid means? Sir, either RC or WebDriver, you can take anything you wish. At a time, it will launch only one browser. So first I am launching Firefox, my work done. Next, one more browser. Next, one more. So at a time, only how many? One browser only. But what about the grid means? Sir, here it is telling grid is for parallel execution. Where is the projects? Projects, yes. So observe, sir, it is launching only one by one. Grid is used for parallel execution. Yes, it is taking all browsers at a time. Multiple browsers, observe, multiple versions, multiple operating systems. Grid helps to run your automation scripts across multiple browsers at a time. So run parallel execution purpose. That's why grids are nothing that. Because WebDriver or RC will launches only one browser at a time. Grid is launching all browsers at a time. Parallelly we can run. That type of testing is called as a grid. Simple words, parallel execution in multiple browsers. So in the real time, what is important to you? WebDriver and grid are very, very important. So at the time of WebDriver, in the time of WebDriver, what we have to learn? There are some frameworks are there in the WebDriver, like JUnit, TestNG, and SQL, one more tool. So regular sessions, normally it is taking 20 to 25 sessions will take. Okay, as much as early possible, I will finish it. Okay, some guys they want to attend interviews immediately, they want to get the jobs like that. Okay, my side also, as per early, I will complete this course. Okay, so these things I will tell you: WebDriver and grid, JUnit, TestNG, SQL. Once this class completed, next real-time implementation of a project. So don't think that in your mind you can delete. In some institutes, some trainer they are telling we are taking the project on HMS, we are taking project this, that, everything. Delete that in your mind. Project, project, project. No, I am telling real-time implementation of a Selenium. Means, sir, what are the concept I'm telling? Sir, I'm taking one application, that is automation practice or SpiceJet. In the regular classes, I will take multiple applications, not only SpiceJet. In the SpiceJet, I will explain some scenarios. Facebook, I will explain. Gmail, I will explain, and my HMS. So I'm taking 4 5 applications. Don't think in your mind only one application. My sir is telling like that. No, 4 5 applications I will take. But at the time of project, I will take one website. In that site, I'm explaining the procedure. First, sir, regular classes I will tell Selenium with Java. In the real time, first I will tell you another component is there. Selenium with Maven. Someone is asking Chandrika. Yes. Regular sessions, I will explain Selenium with Java. Next, I am explaining Selenium with Maven, sir. Very, very important that one also. After Selenium with Maven, whatever the concepts are there, framework structure, frameworks, structure, how framework will be. Sir, and one more main thing I will tell this one, sir, page object model. No one is explaining this one. It is one type of a, my videos also there in the YouTube. Page object model by Mahesh, sir, you can check it, you will get it. Page object model is not a framework, one design pattern. So one own framework I will tell. If you go to any interview, simply you will explain this page object model enough, sir, because in industry, n number of companies are there. Every company using their own structure. So happily you can tell page object model structure. I will tell the procedure and everything. Then you can explain this process only enough. And one more thing, after that, log4j. After that, Apache PY. So this is the project content. Next, listeners. Next, retry mechanism. Next, extent reports. If anybody, your cousins, everybody is working in the industry, happily you can ask. Sir is telling these concepts. These are enough or anything is required, you can ask. Extent reports. Next, Jenkins. Next, grid 2. Next, GitHub. Next, maybe one or two concepts we are forgetting everything. 1 second. The course content is there, I will open. Otherwise, because maybe one or two concepts if I forgetting, in that everything available course content. Maybe in this laptop content is not there. 1 second, I will check it. Manual, Selenium videos, Python, manual testing, advanced Python, core Python. Materials are there where real time, yes. Maybe if it is available, fine. Otherwise, sir, I'm not adding course content here. Yes, not there. Okay, no problem. So this is the actually project classes. These are all the Xpath, auto IT, recording. One by one, I will tell here course will come. So many programs are there. We're not getting it. Okay, chhod do. So these are all the concepts, are real-time concepts. Selenium with Maven, framework structure, page object model, log4j, Apache PY, listeners, retry mechanism, extend reports, Jenkins, grid2, GitHub. If one or two are missing, that is also available. Tomorrow I will open the course content. So these are very, very important. Who wants to claim any experience? This is enough maximum. Cucumber, yes, Shalini. Cucumber not related to our Selenium. Cucumber is the different course. It will take 20 to 30 classes. That is the different. Cucumber not added here. That is the another course. So now you can ask your doubts and everything. Now, 1 second. Someone is asking previously some doubts. Junaid, Flipkart, yes. Any site you can automate, Junaid, no problem. Chandrika, whatever you are asking, all are came now. Maven, Jenkins, Reasoners, retry mechanism, GitHub, everything came. You can collect the course content from Durga Sub. They will give course content. What I am telling that they will give each and every course content, everything. Yes, Jenkins is one of the tool, third-party tool. Shalini. Wait, one by one will come. Just I am giving course content only. Jenkins, GitHub, all these are real-time tools, third-party tools. At the time of project implementation, all are required. Next, anybody having any doubts? No. OTPs are not possible. OTP is called as a, that is I'm telling na, at the time of alerts, next four types of alerts are there, Chandrika. OTP no one will automate. If OTP is also automated means no security. OTP is coming to your mobile na. It is not coming to mobiles. It is not coming to our side. So OTP is called as a securities. Those are not possible because at the time of alert messages, four types of alerts are there. Yes, I will tell that story also. Those alerts are JavaScript alerts, Windows alerts, security alerts. Like four types of alerts are there. Windows we can handle, JavaScript we can handle, Bootstrap alerts also we can handle, but securities are not possible. OTP is coming from the database. OTPs and captchas, those two are not possible to automate any tool. Captchas and OTPs. Yes. Next, any doubts related the course? Yes, sir. So now what I am telling is logos images means that is the bitmap images. We can if the actual image is there, then we can take that one and we can compare both. But logos automation also not required. That is the GUI na. GUI part is not automated. GUI testing. At the time of test cases, four types are there: GUI, usability, functional, validation. So functionality test cases can be automated. GUI testing is not automated, Chandrika. That is, I am telling 100% automation not possible. Which is possible, that is only. So every functional test case can be converted. GUI test cases are not possible. GUI means checking availability of the logos, spelling mistakes, and all those. So GUI cases are not possible. Sir, now, sir, who are attending only Selenium classes? Okay, who are attending today? Those guys come to 8 o'clock tomorrow, 8 to 9. Because here some guys are manual testing students also there. Who are attending manual classes? Our 10 members, okay, you can join 7:30 only tomorrow. Yes, sir. Timings, sir. 2 3 days you can attend 8 to 9 only. Who are attending Selenium class, please attend 8 to 9. Just 2 3 days. 2 3 days means tomorrow and day after tomorrow. After that, the class will take 7:30 to max 8:30, 8:45. After that, doubts only, because once you start the Selenium, you will get a number of doubts. Definitely. That's why last 15 minutes I will take for the doubts in your systems, because starting classes definitely will get more doubts. Some 1 week 10 days classes means you will get some idea, then you can practice, then less number of doubts will come. Initially more doubts are only configuration doubts, programs are not running, browser is not launching, a number of mistakes will come initial days. Up to 1 week you are facing problem. After that, once you are okay with that one, then fine. So sir, who are our old students are there, you can join tomorrow 7:30 a.m. because I will complete our manual part. Only that last two topics, test execution, defect reporting. So manual testing 7:30 I will start. Same link only you can join. Okay, 8 o'clock Selenium students you also join. 8 Selenium students you can join, new guys. Old students you can join 7:30, same link. Duration 45 days duration, Junaid. Junaid, 45 days. Selenium plus project. Okay, so every our members, I'm not telling each and every name to name. Already you know who are attending manual classes. Okay, everyone please join tomorrow, same link 7:30. Tomorrow I will tell test execution part. At the time of execution, 4 levels are there: level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3. Tomorrow I will tell execution. Wednesday, sorry, tomorrow 28th, 29th. Oh, 29th I'm going to. Next day I will tell remaining topic. Can we attend for manual also from tomorrow? 2 days. I'm only for. Yeah, if you are attending manual, no problem, Chandrika. But that is the last topic, na. You are not getting anything. If you are interested, you can join. No problem for me. No issues. Because already manual testing 90% completed. Only last two small topics are there. If you are interested, you can attend. No issues. That 2 days concepts. No problem for me, Chandrika. Yes. Same link only, sir. 7:30 I started. If anyone interested, you can join. Only Selenium means 8 o'clock you can join. Clear everyone, timings and everything. Don't confuse. Same link. Manual students join 7:30. Selenium students join 8 o'clock. Guys, clear? Any doubt, you can type in the chat panel. Okay, fine. Oh, 8:30. 8:30 means next I have classes are there, na? 8:30 means, Chandrika, already 8 to 9 only students are getting so many issues are coming 8 to 9 only. 8:32 means it will take 10. 8:30 to 10 it will take. That is the problem. API testing a different course. Yeah, that is the different Sonam. API means observe nothing. Application programming interface. Just what we are telling web application, that is also API only. No course. APM is the different course, Sonam. Not API. APM is the different course. Selenium also web browser testing only, API testing only. APM is the different course. Okay, guys. Tomorrow I will catch you. Okay, tomorrow I will open the course content, complete content. I will tell the story. Thank you.